Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dr. Simplicity Trading Channel. This is my second video following on the first one, which was the introductory video. If you haven't had a look at that, I'll encourage you to please do. It explains what we are on about. We are on an exercise to see if trading does work over time. Please have a look at that video, and you get more gists about what it's all about. So we are looking at the first trading opportunity, the setup of the first trading opportunity, following on the non-farm news that was released on Friday, just 2 days ago, the 5th of May. So I'm here in my house on this Sunday, pleasant Sunday evening. I haven't had a coronation yesterday. A coronation of King Charles III. We are here looking at this chart to analyze it, and having analyzed it, we found trading opportunity to take our trade. Market is going to open again at 11 p.m. UK time. So before then, we've done our analysis, and we have this trading opportunity which we want to share now. Do remember, this is all pretense trading, pretense account. And as a matter of fact, I am going to ask us to go through our disclaimer again, so we understand what it's all about. So there's a disclaimer. Please take some time to read it. Essentially, it's telling us that this is all pretense trading. It's not real. It's by no means an advice for anybody to take a trade. If you do, you do so at your own risk entirely. I think the last paragraph there at the bottom of the must read, a couple of paragraphs explains everything. Dr. Simplicity Trading does not claim to be a financial expert or claim to be an expert in futures or forex trading. This presentation is published as a personal exercise and should not be relied upon for the purposes of trading the markets. It's as simple as that. Going back to the chart, like I said, we have a trading opportunity there for us in this shaded green area. Market is currently closed at this area. I think that's 1.2643. If I can just read that figure, 1.2643. So what we're expecting is for market to track down, pull back into this zone here, which is going to be our entry zone, and hopefully track up to profit at 1.2613. This is why we want to take our profit if things go our way. If, on the other hand, things do not go our way, we want to be out of the market. In other words, if the market continues to track downwards, we want to be out at this red line, which is 1.2503, which is this one here. I hope you can see that very, very well. Let me see if I can change that for a moment to a different color, if I may. Let's see, clear all drawings, and then take that pencil off. Okay, let's change that temporarily to, I think, this color cyan. Right, 1.2503 is the stop line. I'm going to change it back to red because I normally use red, so I don't get confused in my trading. Great, 1.2503 is the stop line. And in the summary here, in this box here, if I can run you through that, the starting capital, like I said, is all pretense account. Starting capital is £10,000. Our trade zone, we identified as being 33 points wide, and our entry line is 1.2547. The total risk in terms of points is 44 minus 44. All right. And we've simply added a bit to the width of the zone. Zone width is 33 points, and we added a bit to that. And we're hoping to take profit at 6 points. You know, if this market tracks down and then pulls up for 6 points, we're taking profit. We've calculated our risk per point to be 11.36, and total risk for us will always be 5% or less of the starting capital. You can see that is showing 499.84, and that gives us perfectly the figure to trade per point of 11.36. We've simply found 5% of our starting capital, which will be 500 in this case. You divide that by our risk in points, 44, and you will get this figure of 11.36. And therefore, our total risk is 11.36 times 44, which will be 499.84. So if the trade fails, we will be out of pocket for 499.84. On the other hand, if the trade progresses like we are predicting, or we will hope to, we can't predict anything, to be honest, we want to be taking profit for 6 points, and if you multiply 6 by 11.36, you're going to get 749.76 sterling, and therefore the risk to reward ratio is 1 to 1.5, and that's what we do. It's as simple as that. Okay, and so therefore I'm going to clear all these drawings so we can see better what we're talking about. Essentially, that is the juice about the proposed trade. We are going to set that up now before market opens at 11 p.m. UK time. And oh yes, I forgot one more thing. We always set a good till date. In other words, if this market does not, sorry, if this trade or order does not trigger by that date, good till GT, the 19th of May 2023, if the market does not, if the trade order does not trigger, we want to delete it. We're no longer interested in the trade. So essentially, that's the summary, you know, given there. And one more thing I need to show you in a moment will be the spreadsheet that tracks our performance over time. Just give me a moment. I'm going to pull that up. Give me one moment. Righto. So here is the trade record sheet spreadsheet as a spread bet dummy account. Again, emphasize that we're emphasizing that it's a dummy account, it's a pretense account, and we will be using this to track our performance over time. At the moment, everything is all nothing in it, nothing to record. We're in the month of May. So if we do get this trade, if it triggers and we get something out of it, whether it's a loss or a profit, we will be recording it somewhere here. And so we will, you know, get an idea of where we are as of at the end of that trade. So that is our recording sheet, you know, for the trade recording sheet. Okay, going back to the chart, one moment, please. Great. So that's the whole summary. We have it all there. All we have to do is set up the trade, like I said, and see what happens over the period of time that we have allowed for the trade to trigger. Remember, it's going to be by the 19th of May 2023. We expect something to have happened. If nothing has happened, we will delete the order. Thank you for watching this evening. This is the first video. We'll see what happens. If you like what you've seen so far, don't forget to click the like button and do subscribe to the channel so that you can get updated on when I next release my video in the next couple of weeks, all things being equal. There we go. It's bye for now, and have a fantastic evening. Thanks for watching.